John with Winter Roofing and Remodeling. Here at a customer's rental home, he's asked us to do some touch-up painting and sort of looking at what he had and watching what the guys were doing here. I saw something that was pretty interesting, if you will. You've heard people say how important it is to get in good lighting, or if you wanted to see the true color of something, go out in the sunlight and see it. I'm going to show you why that is so true. Look at this wall here, and once again, the video is not about painting. We're in the middle of doing it with this the very first coat, primer coat. But this is actually a white paint, and as you can see, it's got a brown hue to it. Now, and this is what threw me, is that when I come back over here, we have a white that has a blue hue to it. I go, what's going on, right? Well, I got to look at it. Actually, one of my guys said, oh, it's because of this. And he said, I had to put a light bulb in. Let's see if, oh my, there we go. You see the difference here? He's got an LED bright white on the left there, and an old-fashioned, just a regular old 60-watt light bulb on the right. And that's what's throwing that hue in the whole room. Once again, you see how brown it is over here. Come over here, and it's blue. It's like I swore that we had switched colors or something. I said, what in the world is going on? But that's what it is. So anyway, once again, this is John with Winter Roofing and Remodeling. So long.